As you can see guys, error code siya. Ayun, pupunta tayo sa XAMPP. Start lang natin to. Tapos back to. Yan, kung makita nyo, nag-data save successfully na siya. This system shows how an ESP32 sends data to a computer and store it in a database. First, the ESP32 connects to a Wi-Fi network and prepares data such as temperature and humidity. Dito sa code na ginawa ko is nilagay ko yung name ng Wi-Fi, password ng Wi-Fi at IP address. Then punta sa XAMPP admin. Then sa local host. Sensor data. As you can see, meron siyang data. Then tama lang ba? Lagyan natin insert, enter. Then view. As you can see guys, meron na siyang laman o data.